Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. I hope you're all having a wonderful December so far. In today's video, Miri and I will be sharing 5 gorgeously sparkling nail art designs that are perfect for ringing in the new year. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make it with Squarespace. And now, onto the tutorial. Our first design is one of my favorites because it has metallic gold accents and a fun 3D bow. For this design, you will need a base color and a glitter polish. Begin by painting your nail with your preferred color. If you're going to a New Year's Eve party, this color could match your dress or your outfit for the night. Next, you'll need some metallic striping tape. Here we're using gold, but silver could work perfectly too. Try and match it with your 3D bow. Apply 4 strips of the tape like so, and then clip off the ends. Next, we're going to be applying glitter from the nail polish onto our nail using a tiny paintbrush for precision. Apply a layer of glitter in the big triangle at the base of your nail. Be sure to have enough of the product on your brush and just dab it on for best results. Once you've finished that, give it a few minutes to dry and then apply a fast drying top coat over it. So finally, we're going to attach the bow using nail glue. So to do this, just add a drop to the middle of the design and then place on the bow. And now you're finished! Next up is this gorgeous glitter gradient using different shapes of glitter. For this design, begin with your base color. We chose a royal purple. Once your base color is dry, you'll need a glitter polish with different shapes and sizes of glitter in it. This will really add interest to the design. So we're going to be picking it up with a tiny detailing brush again so we can really focus on getting more of the glitter pieces than the clear polish it's suspended in. Starting at the tip, focus most of the glitter here. Once you've packed on a bunch up at the tip, you'll slowly want to work your way down and allow the glitter to become sparse as you go towards the cuticle. This design is quick and easy, but the result at the end is so pretty. Seal it all in with a glossy, fast-drying top coat, and you're done! The third design incorporates subtle glitter with lots of 3D elements. To begin, choose a nail color that you have a matching glitter color of. We're going to be using red. Once you've given that a couple minutes to dry, pick up the red glitter using the tiny brush again. We're going to apply this glitter all across the base of the cuticle area and then up one side of the nail like so. Give this a couple minutes to dry and then we're going to be bringing out the studs and the rhinestones. Apply a clear top coat over the nail and work quickly to add in lots of nail decor over the glittered area. We've added in tiny rhinestones, silver studs, and then we filled in all the spaces in between with these super tiny metal micro beads. Now your look is complete! Next, we have another design full of glittery goodness. Again, begin with any color of your choosing. We're going to be using a deep blue this time. Once your base color is dry, add on a layer of fast-drying top coat. Next, you will need either a chevron vinyl like this, or you could go ahead and just use 2 pieces of clear tape. We're going to block off the base of the nail like this, and then we're going to be sponging on some blue and silver glitter to the top portion of the nail. Once the glitter is opaque enough for your liking, you can just peel the chevron sticker off and clean up any excess that may have gotten on your skin. Now we're going to frame that glitter portion of the nail with silver striping tape. Add in the pieces, and then clip off the excess. Finally, top it all off with a great top coat and add in a little rhinestone or stud. All done! Our final design is the most simple, but it's super cute. You will need a gold glitter polish and a metallic gold one. You could also use silvers instead, it's totally up to you. Begin by painting your nail with the metallic polish. Then add the chunky glitter polish on top for some sparkle and shine, because it's New Year's, guys. You need that sparkle. Add your top coat over your nail, and then you can choose a fun stud to place at the base of your nail. We chose this cute little black star. And that's it! Let us know in the comments which of these 5 designs was your favorite. Also, a big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Create a beautiful website with Squarespace's all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade ever. Their beautiful designer templates make creating a powerful online identity even easier. So if you're looking to launch your own nail art blog or a portfolio of your nail technician work, this is the place for you. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/CutePolish to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. If you guys would like to watch more awesome nail art videos here on CutePolish, you can click these boxes right here. You can also subscribe by clicking this circle. Also, be sure to check out Miri's channel right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time.